Hey, what's going on? We're back. I know it's been a while since the last video, but got a lot of stuff I'm working on. But for today, we're gonna make a skid plate for a BMW. More on that later. So, here on a Saturday, messing around with some pretty cool stuff that I don't get to play with during the week. Got some scrap aluminum. Shuja whipped this up on the computer earlier. It's just a rough outline. I got a cardboard template that I used to make this. And we're gonna set, oh, he already got 0 set. And then we're going to cut this out and then we'll go test fit on the BMW. Should be pretty cool. And just like that, we got ourselves a skid plate. That is so cool. Hopefully the cardboard aided design was accurate. I know the program was accurate. Slick. So the BMW that we're going to be driving tomorrow at the first race of the season, it's early March. I'm not going to be racing the blue car anymore this season. It needs a year off. So I ended up picking up this rusty pile of crap from a coworker. This is a 2000 BMW 528i. It has the 2.8 liter all aluminum double Vanos. I'm gonna get this wrong. N54, M54, I don't know, BMW guys correct me. But it's a manual transmission car and it was cheap, so couldn't pass this up. But this is what we're trying to do today, is to protect this oil pan. So let's see how this thing fits. How's it fit? Fucking great. That's awesome. It interferes with the vice grips right now, but she's just grabbing some spacers. We're gonna space this down just a little bit because there's a couple clearance issues. This isn't completely flat, the subframe, but for right now, that fits really good. Comes back to right here in the corner. Super cool, looks great. All right, look at that. We had to hog this hole out just a little bit to get it to fit and shorten this spacer, but we got a skid plate. So now we can go rally racing tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. So, cool. Time to weld up the exhaust next. Got a pair of channel locks in here now. That's not gonna work. So, gonna weld that up, and then this thing's ready to race tomorrow. Awesome. Got the exhaust welded up, got the seatbelt put in, threw the tow hook on because there's a good chance this thing will break down since all I've driven it is today. So this thing, in the time that I've owned it, I've driven it a total of 2.7 miles out of those 214 something thousand. When I got it, the oil change was overdue by 5 years, inspections up by 5 years, so this thing has been sitting for a very long time. We're gonna load it up in the trailer, and next time we're out, we will be racing with BMR tomorrow morning, bright and squirrely. See you then. All right, well, we made it to the event. This is gonna be the first and potentially only event for BMR. They borrow this land, rent this land from a tree farmer, and we're allowed to run out here when they're not farming. Hopefully we have a lot more events here this year, but we'll just have to see how it goes. BMW Pass Tech, and we're gonna be running first. I just have all seasons on it, so I don't expect it to be very fast, but should still be an awful lot of fun today. So let's go race. This is not gonna be fast. It's gonna be fun and it's gonna be sideways, but it's not gonna be fast. I did not bring the right tires for today, but the car is here and that's what's important. Damn auto up and down fancy shit windows.
spun 3 times. That was stupid. Oh no. Ton of work. Not fast, but it's fun. Alright, so putting weight in the back of the car made a huge difference.
Whenever you're ready.
Got it. Oh, that slide was totally worth hitting that cone. That was great.
All right, well, that's gonna wrap the first BMR event of the season. Went swimmingly. It was cold, but we all had a lot of fun. The car drove as good as I would expect it to drive, and it's back in the trailer, so that's pretty good. Anyways, catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out.
Went to the dark side.